Hey guys, so at this point I will go ahead and discuss with you the web phone features and the SIP phone. Okay, so for agents, we highly suggest that you use the web phone feature. The web phone feature, basically, it's a built-in phone feature that this website already has. So some CRM needs to be integrated to a separate third-party dialer or the third-party soft phone for it to work. However, our dialer already has a built-in web phone, so you need not to download any application anymore. It will function by itself. You'd know that it's currently configured to dial using the web phone if you see this Rubik cube icon. Basically, that's the dial pad, and we call it the web phone. Now, for us to, if you do not see that Rubik's cube, that means there's some setting is wrong. All you have to do is go to settings. Okay, go to change voice connection settings. Right, you need to make sure that your current connection methods should be web phone selected, browser-based web phone. Okay, now hit changes. Okay, there you go. And from there on, you could go ahead and dial using the web phone. Again, we suggest this feature to be activated for the agents to further not complicate things. Okay, next, how and when do we use SIP phone? Okay, highly suggested for those who would need to monitor your queues or need to monitor an agent. We suggest you download a third-party SIP phone. We're currently using iBeam, but you could also use Xlite, Zoiper, whatever you opt to, but we prefer to use iBeam. Now, if you would be using a dialer, obviously your web phone will be deactivated because you're going to be using a third-party phone software. Now, you have to go to settings. Let's say at this point you already have downloaded your iBeam. Those guys could be easily downloaded online. You could simply search for them. You may want to go to change voice connection settings and then hit SIP phone. Now, when you hit SIP phone, you automatically will see the following SIP phone configuration, which you need to input in your dialer. Now, on this one, so these are the information that you have to put in the dialer, or I mean the SIP phone. So let's go hit SIP account setting. So let's pretend that this is not yet existing. So because this is my current settings for this specific information. Let's hit add. Okay. Okay. Display name. So display name should be SIP_2. That's what I'm gonna do. Password is 1234. The domain should be this one. You just have to simply copy paste domain. It says here display name, auth username, and username should be SIP_2. This differs depending on the users. Okay, so it says here username, auth name, what else? SIP password. And I think I am all good. As soon as you're able to put in all the information, now all you have to do is hit apply and then hit OK. Now I do have two configuration here, but basically both of those are the same. So I hit close and registering. Okay, it will show that your SIP phone is okay if it says ready. Okay, one thing we want to make sure if you're going to be using iBeam, go to options and then make sure that this one prompt me when an upgrade is available is unchecked. Okay, so it's not going to automatically upgrade. So hit OK And there you go. Now my SIP phone is ready. Now, how does this function differ? Why do I actually need to have a SIP phone available when I am a manager? Remember, I mentioned that if you would want to monitor your agents, it's highly suggested that you use this one, because when you want to listen to your agent while they're taking in calls, all you have to do is go to Agent Monitor. You actually can listen to your agent using the web phone. Okay. However, there's currently a bug when you try to connect to a specific, let's say the you wanted to listen to Alexis, and then this basically is the icon that you have to hit when you want to listen to your agent. If you would want to use the web phone, there's a bug in which if you listen to Alexis and you try to disconnect with her, it's going to be hard for the line to be disconnected. It's a bug which I couldn't explain myself. So for better usage, we want to use a SIP phone. Now, let's check on this. Okay, so it seems that something is wrong with what I've done. Okay, because if you are wanting to use SIP phone, you should not have this one available. This right here should disappear. So I want to try go to settings. Change my voice setting. There you go, because I'm currently on web phone. I will select SIP phone and save changes. Okay, that should disappear in a few. And I should be connected right here. Now I need to log out and log back in. For some weird reasons, that should not. Oh, I think it should be there. That should be fine. Okay, when you want to try to monitor an agent, again, all you have to do is hit on this one, and then automatically your phone will ring. All you have to do is answer, and by then you will be able to listen to your agent. Now, there's this amazing feature where you can actually press 1 if you want to speak with their contact, if you want to speak to the prospect. You can press 2 to coach your agent. This is most commonly known as a whisper feature, right? And then press 3 if you all want to be in a conference call. A very, very nice feature. I have been maximizing this one to monitor my agents. So there. Thanks so much for your time. Have a great day.